Indian government has announced new rules that will change how drivers pay tolls on national highways under the updated system, which utilizes a global navigation satellite system for tracking uses of mechanical vehicles. Excluding those with national permit will be able to travel up to 20 kilometers without incurring any charges. The new regulations state that drivers, owners or individuals in charge of vehicles will now be assessed a zero user fee for trips covering a distance of up to 20 kilometers in either direction on the toll roads, including national highways, permanent bridges, bypasses and tunnels. For journeys exceeding this limit, motorists will be charged based on the actual distance travelled. My colleague Arzu has filed this ground report. Let's take a look.
Ministry of Road and Highways have announced a major change in the toll system, and this change will make the journey more smoother. There has been a change in the highway fee rules 2008, and under this new system, if you travel up to 20 kilometers, there is no need to pay the toll tax, and also no need to stand like this. Right now we are at the Noida toll system, and you can see there is a long queue of cars here. And after this, under the new system, probably we used to use FASTag before to zip through the tolls, but now the government is stepping up the game with the satellite-based toll collection system. That's right, and soon you will be able to pay tolls without even stopping and slowing down. And this is due to the global navigation satellite system, which includes the well-known GPS technology. And after this, you will be seeing the free 20-kilometer long journey, and there will be no need to pay toll tax for the distance covered. And after the 20 kilometers, the GPS will track the location, it will track the distance, and then you have to pay the toll according to that. Also, there are a lot of people, and we will try to take their reaction. How did they see the changes that the government has made in this toll system? And because they are now looking up to the new satellite-based system through which the GPS will be used to track the system, and there will be no need to, like this, you can see, how frustrating it is to stop here and, to wait, and there has been a lot of time wasted also. We have some people also, we will take their reaction on this. सरकार की तरफ से एक नया चेंज लाया गया है टोल सिस्टम में, जिसके थ्रू जीपीएस सिस्टम लगाया जाएगा ताकि आप लोगों को यहाँ पर टोल पे रुकना ना पड़े, और वहीं 20 किलोमीटर की जो दूरी है वो फ्री में होगी। कैसे देखते हैं?
तो सही रहेगा मैम। अब देख लो, आपके सामने हो रहा है कि बार बार गाड़ियाँ बैक लेनी पड़ती हैं, बार बार निकालनी पड़ती हैं, बार बार वो करनी पड़ती हैं। तो ऐसा रहेगा तो फिर हम इजीली निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से।
लगता है टाइम की भी बचत
होगी, सारा कुछ फायदेमंद रहेगा सबके लिए ही।
अच्छा, लगता है जल्द से जल्द ये लाने की जरूरत भी है, आप लोगों को सुविधाजनक होता है। कितनी बार ट्रैवल करते हैं महीने में लगभग आप?
रोज का ही होता है हमारा, तो रोज कुछ ना कुछ आना जाना लगा ही रहता है रोज का ही। यहाँ पे 10-5 मिनट खराब होने होते हैं टोल के ऊपर ही।
You can hear the daily travelers, and they are saying that regularly they waste their time standing in a queue just to pass this toll. But now, after the government's announcement of changing this toll system, now the new satellite system will be used, in which the vehicles that have GNSS, a global navigation satellite system, through which you will be able to pass this toll system without stopping, and also 20 kilometers will be toll fee free. So this is a great initiative which will make the journey more smoother. I am Arzu Seth with video journalist Ankush for NewsX in Noida.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.